Welcome back to math class, children. So in the previous class, you learned about coordinate geometry. Today you are going to learn a new chapter, that is linear equations in two variables. What is linear equation? So in polynomial lessons already I have explained about linear equations. Linear equation. An equation having the variable only in the first degree. So degree or power of the variable should be 1. Okay, children, for example, x plus 2 is equal to 10 or x plus y is equal to 3, 2m plus 3 is equal to 5. Yes. What is the power of the variable? That is x is 1. Here the power of the variable is x is 1 and y is also 1. Here the power of m is 1. Okay. In all the cases, the power of the variable is 1. Okay. That is called degree is nothing but power. Okay. Highest degree of the variable is 1. So these kind of equations are called linear equations. So how to write the linear equation in one variable? Linear equation in one variable. It is in the form ax plus b is equal to 0. Here x is variable, and a and b are the constants. Okay, children. So how many variables do we have here? There is only one variable. Okay, that is x. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ equation ಅಲ್ಲಿ x ಒಂದು ಮಾತ್ರ variable ಇದೆ. A and b are the real numbers. Okay, so this is the general form of linear equation in one variable. Okay. So, and one more condition, a should not be equal to 0. Okay, then only it will be like this. Ax plus b is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. X is variable, a and b are the real numbers. So for every linear equation in one variable, it has unique solution. What do you mean by unique? That means only one. It has only one solution in one linear equation in one variable. For example, 2x plus 5 is equal to 10 or x plus 5 is equal to 10. We have only one variable in the equation, that is equal to 10 minus 5. What is the value of x here? It is only 5, right? We are getting only one value of x. For example, y plus 10 is equal to 20. So y is equal to 20 minus 10, that is equal to 10, right? So here the value of x is 10. So if you take any linear equation in one variable, it has unique solution. Unique is nothing but only one and only one solution. Okay. Now let us see for two variables. Linear equation in two variables. So it is in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Where x and y, these are the two variables, and a, b, c. These are the constants. Okay. These are real numbers. Those are constants. X and y are two variables, children. And here, A and B should not be 0. Okay. Now, one variable nodaga A is not equal to 0 and helidve. Here, A and B should not be equal to 0. So there I said, in linear equation in one variable, we have only one solution, right? In two variables, we have many solutions, children. For example, while doing the sums, you will understand the meaning of this. A solution of linear equation in two variables contains one value for x and another value for y. Okay. So in the equation, for each value of x, we'll be getting the value of y. Okay. So there we have only one value. Next, here in this lesson, you are going to plot graphs. Okay. So what is graph? Okay. Or graph is a pictorial representation of data, mathematical data. We connect the points with line segments, right? So on the graph sheet, we will mark the points and we'll join the points with line segments. That is what your graph. So here in linear equation in two variables, we get many solutions, as well as always it will be you will get straight lines, children. The graph will be straight lines. Okay. Andre nimge points ಏನು find out ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, x and y find out ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, coordinates ನ ನೀವು ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ. And one more thing, the graph of the equation x is equal to a. So ನಿಮಗೆ ನಾನು ಈಗ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, just you understand it. X is equal to a is a straight line parallel to y-axis. So here y will be 0 and you will have, for example, x is equal to 3 or 0, 3. Okay, children, I will explain it later. Okay, when x is equal to a, the line will be parallel to x-axis. When y is equal to a, then it will be parallel to x-axis. Okay, parallel. Because if I explain, you can't understand anything. That's why I will explain it later. Y is equal to a, it will be parallel to x-axis. So this is important. I will ask you for multiple choice or one mark question. Linear equation in two variables and one variable. Now come to the exercise 4.1. I'll read the question. The cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Write the linear equation in two variables to represent this statement. And they have given the hint. Take the cost of your notebook to be rupees X and pen to be Y. Okay, children, read the question. The cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. While doing the word sums in linear equation, okay, which term is unknown, we keep it as x. ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲ್ವೋ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. What are they saying? Book is twice the cost of a pen, but we don't know what is the cost of the pen, right? So ನಮ್ಗೆ ಪೆನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತಾನೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. So let it be y. Already they have given pen to be y anta. Let it be y and cost of the book be to be x. And they are saying book is twice the cost of the pen. Okay, let us see how to find this. 4.1. So they have given cost of a notebook to be rupees X and cost of a pen to be rupees Y. Then they are saying, according to the question, cost of notebook is equal to, according to the question, what are they saying? The cost of the notebook is twice the cost of the pen. Twice means what will you write? 2 times. 2 times ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 2 into ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. 2 times or twice ಅಂದಾಗ ನಾವು 2 into ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. 2 into cost of a pen, that is equal to, what is the cost of notebook? Here we have taken it as X. 2 into cost of pen to be taken as Y. So how can you write this? 2 into Y is 2Y. Okay, shift this to left hand side. It will become minus 2Y, that is equal to 0. This is what your linear equation in 2 variables. Next sum. Express the following linear equations in the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 and indicate the values of a, b, c in each cases. So they have given sums here. We'll see how to write that. (4.1) second main in that first one. 2x plus 3y is equal to 9.35. So what are you going to write here? It is in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Indicate the values of a, b, c. You have to write what are a, b, c, children. So you write it is in the form ax plus, below that you write ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So you can shift it into left hand side. So it becomes 2x plus 3y minus 3.5 is equal to 0. We are shifting from right to left, so the sign will be changed. It is plus 9.35. It will become minus 9.35. Okay, now what is a here? In place of a, we have 2. This is b and this is c. So compare the equation with the ax plus by plus c form. Then we can write a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, c is equal to, you have to consider the sign, children, because in the equation we have plus c here. If you have minus, you should consider that. Minus 9.35. Come to the second one. X minus y by 5 minus 10 is equal to 0. So I will write it is in the form of ax plus b by plus c is equal to 0. What is a here? So if there is no any number, you can write 1, right? See, a is 1. What about b? In place of y bitre y coefficient ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಬರೆಯೋದು. You are writing the coefficient, children. So c is minus 10. A is equal to 1. B is equal to, for example, it is minus y by 5. How can you write this? Minus 1 by 5y, right? It is minus 1 by 5. Illi y ide, y na bitbittu coefficient ಏನಿದೆ y, what is the coefficient of y? You have to write that here. C is equal to minus 10. We'll see the third one. Minus 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. So it is in the form of ax plus b by plus c. So we are shifting this 6 to left hand side. It will become plus 6 becomes minus 6. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. What is a here? Minus 2. B is plus 3. C is minus 6. So therefore I will write here a is equal to minus 2. B is equal to 3. C is equal to minus 6. X is equal to 3 by. Take this to left hand side. It will become minus 3 by is equal to 0. It is in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. What is a here? You can write 1. What is b here? It is minus 3. What is c? There is no any constant, so I will write 0. Fifth one, 2x is equal to minus 5. 2x, here it is minus 5y. If you transpose to left side, it becomes plus 5y is equal to 0. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to 2, b is 5. There is no any constant, so it is 0. Sixth one, 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So you can write the given equation as 3x plus, there is no y term here, so you can write 0 into y plus 2 is equal to 0. So what is a here? B is 0, c is 2. So a is equal to 3, b is equal to 0, c is equal to 2. Next one, y minus 2 is equal to 0. There is no x term here. In place of x, you can write 0. 0 into x plus 1y minus 2 is equal to 0. What is a here? A is 0, b is 1, and c is minus 2. Next, eighth one. 5 is equal to 2x. I will write it as 2x. Take it into right hand side. It will become -5. There is no y term here. There is no y term here. So I will write 0y is equal to 0. So a is equal to 2. B is equal to 0. C is equal to -5. We'll go to the next exercise. Exercise 4.2. Which of the following options is true and why? The first one, so here they have given the equation, that is y is equal to 3x plus 5. Has Unix, they have given three options here. You have to say which option is true. A unique solution, only two solutions, infinitely many solutions. Here, if you see the equation, so how many variables are here? There are two variables. While explaining the linear equation in two variables, I told you it has infinite number of solutions, right? For linear equation in one variable has only one solution, unique solution. This is for one variable iddaga first one true agutte. Here we have two variables, that is x and y. It has infinitely many solutions. Okay, children. I will write the equation here. So the y is equal to 3x plus 5. Put the values for x here. Put x is equal to 0. Y is equal to 3 into 0 plus 5. Then y is equal to 3 into, I am substituting 0 in the place of x. Okay. 3 into 0 is 0 plus 5. That is equal to 5. When x is 0, the value is 5. Now I'll put x is equal to 1. Substitute 1 in the equation. Then y is equal to 3 into 1 plus 5 is equal to 3 plus 5. That is 8. So 1 comma 8, it is 0 comma 5. So that if you substitute, if you go on giving the values for x, you'll be getting the values for y, right now. So that's why we say it has infinitely many solutions. Next one. Write 4 solutions for the given equations. So it is 4.2. Second one in that sub question 1. 2x plus y is equal to 7. You have to find 4 solutions, children. So here to find the solution, you have to give the value for either x or y. Okay. So generally we give values for x. Let x is equal to 0. ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ 0, 1, -1, 10, 100 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ವೈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು I have taken x is equal to 0. Substitute in the place of x, that is 2 into 0. 2 into 0 is 0. Y is equal to 7. Or for in the beginning itself, you can write the equation for y. I will write y as it is in the left. You have 7 in right hand side, right as it is, and shift this plus 2x becomes minus 2x. Okay, children. So now you can give values for the x. Now x get values ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. So equation y equation ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Y is equal to y left hand side ಇರಲಿ, x right hand side ಇರೋ ತರ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Now what are the points here? X is 0. We have given 0 here. What is the value of y here? It is 7. Now I'll give x is equal to 1. Let x is equal to 1. Then y is equal to 7 into 2 into 1. 7 minus 2 is 5. What are the points here? X is 1 and y is 5. 1 comma 5. And let x is equal to 2. Let's go on giving the values for x. We'll be getting the values of y. 2 into 2. 7 minus 4, that is equal to 3. So what are the numbers here? X is 2, y is 3. Now you can give minus values also. Let x is equal to -1. Substitute -1 in place of x. 2 into -1 plus, sorry, we take this equation. Y is equal to 7 minus 2 into, what is x here? It is -1. 7 minus 2 into -1. Minus into minus is plus. 2 ones are 2. That is 9. What are the coordinate, that is points here? -1 and 9. So this is how we calculate, find the solution for the given equation. We'll see the next one. 4.2. Second question in that second sub question. Pi x plus y is equal to 9. Already I had told you, write the equations for y. 9 minus, I'm going to transpose this pi x to right hand side. It becomes minus pi x. Now give the values for x. Let x is equal to 0. Then y is equal to 9 minus pi into 0. That is equal to 9 minus pi into 0 is 0. The answer is 9. So what are the values here? X and y. X comma y is equal to, we had taken x as 0. We got y, that is 9. Let x is equal to 1. Y is equal to, substitute 1 in the given equation, that is equation number 1. 9 minus pi into 1. So 9 minus pi into 1 is 9 minus pi. X comma y. What is x here? It is 1. Y is 9 minus pi. Let x is equal to 2. Then y is equal to 9 minus, here in place of x, write 2. Pi into 2. That is equal to 9 minus 2 pi. So x comma y. is equal to, what is x here? 2. Y is 9 minus 2 pi. Next, last one. X is equal to minus 1. Y is equal to 9 minus pi into, what is the value of x here? It is minus 1. 9 multiply the signs, minus into minus is plus, pi into 1 is pi. Now write the coordinates. So x is minus 1. What is y here? It is 9 plus pi. So these are the 4 solutions for the given equation. Now third one, x plus 4y is equal to 0. Then write 4y as it is in the left, and I'm going to shift this plus x to right hand side. It becomes minus x. Now we need only y in the left hand side. Write as it is, minus x. Shift this 4. So it is, there is multiplication sign between the variable and the number. We are multiplying here. If you transpose to right hand side, it comes to denominator. See, if it is in numerator, it comes to denominator. Suppose here we have 4. If you want to shift it into left hand side, so denominator goes to numerator. Okay, children? Numerator alidre, so ಅಲ್ಲಿ multiplication sign ಇದೆ. So here we are multiplying ಅಲ್ವಾ, multiply ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ನೀವು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇವಾಗ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬೈ 4 ಇದೆ. ಇದನ್ನ 4 ನ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ಗೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ y is equal to minus x by 4. Okay, this is the equation. Now let's give values for x, children. X is equal to 0. Then y is equal to minus 0 by 4. 0 by any number is 0 itself, right? So what are the points here? 0 and 0. And second one, let x is equal to 1. Then y is equal to, we are substituting the value of x in equation number 1, children. So x is 1 anta tagondidivi. X place alli neevu 1 hakdaga minus 1 by 4 baratte, right? The points are 1 and minus 1 by 4. Next, let x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 2 by 4. That is equal to, both are divisible by 2. 2 1s, 2 2s, that is minus 1 by 2. Or you can write 2 by 4 itself, minus 2 by 4. Let x is equal to minus 1. Now y is equal to minus x. Minus x means already we have minus here and we are substituting x as minus 1. So I have used bracket because you have two minus signs by 4. That is equal to minus into minuses plus 1 by 4. The points are minus 1 and 1 by 4. So these are the 4 solutions of for given equation. And the next one, check which of the following are the solution for the given equation. So they have given equation here in 4.3, third one children. They have given an equation here, x minus 2y is equal to 0. And they have given some points here, 0, 2, 2, 0, 4, 0, root 2, 4, root 2, 1, 1. So they have given 5 points here. You have to check one by one. They have given x and y values, substitute the values in the given equation. And if both are equal, then only we say it is a solution of the given variable. Okay. ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ x, y values ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. First number is x and second number is y. Okay. Values ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನ one by one ಇಲ್ಲಿ substitute ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ LHS RHS ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಆಗ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ see first one. So call it as 1. What is the first one? Put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2. I'm doing the first one, 0 and 2. X is 0 minus 2 into y is 2. That is equal to 4. 0 minus 2 into 2, that is 4. Yes. It is plus 4, but here we are getting minus 4. So it is not equal. We are not getting the answer. So the first one is not the solution of for the given equation. Let us check second one. Put x is equal to first, second, third, fourth and fifth. Now we are doing the second one. X is equal to 2 and y 0. Substitute the values. X is 2 minus 2 into 0 is equal to 4. 2 minus 2 into 0 is 0 is equal to 4. So 2 is equal to 4. So both are unequal. So second one is also not the solution for the given equation. We'll check the third one. Put x is equal to 4, y is equal to 0. Now x is, substitute the value of x and y in the equation. X is 4 minus 2 into y is 0. 4 minus 2 into 0 is equal to 4. Now write 4 minus 2 into 0. Any number multiplied by 0 is 0 itself. 4. So 4 minus 4 is 0. Sorry, 4 minus 4 is 4 itself. 4. Yes, we are getting LHS is equal to RHS. So the third one is solution for the given. So ನಮಗೆ x ಮತ್ತೆ y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. LHS ಮತ್ತೆ RHS ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇದೆ. So we can say these are, it is the 2 points are the solutions for the given equation. We'll check the fourth one. X is equal to root 2 y is equal to 4 root 2. X is root 2 minus 2 into y is 4 root 2, that is equal to 4. So I'll write 2 minus 2 fours are 8. I'll write here 1. 1 root 2 minus 8 root 2, that is minus 7 root 2. Okay, that is equal to 4. So both are not equal. This is also not the solution. What about last one? X is 1, y is 1. 1 minus 2 into 1 is equal to 0. 1 minus 2 into 1 is, so minus 1 is equal to 4. So this is also not the solution. So we have only one correct solution, that is third one. So at last you should write, children, for each sum you have to write here it is not the solution for the given solution. For third one you have to write it is the solution for the given equation. Next, fourth one. 4.3, fourth one. Find the value of k, children. K is equal to question mark. If x is equal to 2, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1, the equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to k. Yes. They have given the values for x and y. You have to find the value of k here. Yes, children, substitute the values. X is equal to 2 plus 3 into what is the value of y? That is 1 is equal to k. 2 into 2 is 4. 3 into 1 is 3. K. 4 plus 3 is 7. Yes. So the value of k is 7. Four point three. First one. So for this, you have to draw the graph for each of the following linear equations in two variables. Okay, I'll write the equation, that is x plus y is equal to 4. So before going to the graph, first you have to find the points, children, coordinates to plot the points on the graph, right now. So graph ಹಾಕಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ x ಮತ್ತೆ y values ನ find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. They have given the equation, x ಮತ್ತೆ y values ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ x ಗೆ values ಕೊಟ್ರೆ you will get the values for y ಅಲ್ವಾ. So x ಮತ್ತೆ values find out ಮಾಡ್ಮೇಲೆ at least you have to find four points at least. Okay, 4 points solution ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ನ ಹಾಕಬಹುದು. I will write it as, so already I have told you, and we will give values for x. So write the equation for y. Write 4 as it is in the right. I'm going to shift this plus x to right hand side. It will become minus x. Call it as equation number 1. So for this equation, you are going to substitute the values. They will give equation like this, children. This is a linear equation in two variables. Alva, x is one variable, y is another variable. We have two variables here. So you have to find the values, solutions for x and y. Then you can plot on the graph. Let x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 4 minus 0, that is equal to 4. So what are the points here? X is 0, y is 4. This is the first one. Next, let x is equal to 1, y is equal to 4 minus 1, that is equal to 3. What are the points here? X is 1, y is ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ y ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ 1 and 3. These are the coordinates. Let x is equal to -1, x is equal to -1, y is equal to write 4 minus. So x is -1 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. So here we have to use bracket because we have two minus signs here. Okay, that is 4 minus into minus is plus 1, that is equal to 5. What are the points here? -1 and 5. Okay, let x is equal to 2, y is equal to 4 minus x place alli substitute ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, that is 2. So what are x and y here? 2, 2. Let x is equal to 3, y is equal to 4 minus 3, 4. So now ಪ್ರತಿ ಒಂದು values ನಾವು equation number 1 ಗೆ substitute ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. Okay, same equation ಬರಿತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. Y is equal to 4 minus 3 is 1. So the value coordinates are 3, 1. Next, let x is equal to 4, y is equal to 4 minus. So x plus ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ, that is 0. 4, 0. So these are all the coordinates, that is x and y values ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So now you are going to plot on the graph. I'll show you how to locate the points on the graph sheet. So all of you should use graph sheet to plot the points on the plane. Okay, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ graph sheet na use ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So here you have to take middle line of the graph sheet, children. So count number of vertical and horizontal lines or boxes in your graph sheet. Okay, and take the middle line vertical and horizontal. Sheet ಅಲ್ಲಿ exact ಆಗಿ half ಅಂದ್ರೆ horizontal ಆಗಿ half off ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, vertical ಆಗಿ half off ಇರಬೇಕು. So ಆ ತರ lines ನ draw ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So name the axis, that is x axis x dash. So name the origin y dash. Okay, children, and now I'm going to write the positive numbers towards x axis. +3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And here it is -1, -2, -3. All of you use scale and pencil. -7, -8. Here we have written +8, and here also you write till -8. Write positive numbers here towards x axis, y axis. 6, 7, 8. Below the origin, I'm writing negative numbers, -3, -4, -5, and -6. Yes. So I'll write the points here, children. So what you have found out the points. All of you write it in the table like this. You put x and y. So whatever you have found out the points, 0, when x is 0, y is 4. Points ಏನ್ find out ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. When x is -1, y is 5. 2, 2, 3, 1, 4, 0. Yes, now you have to plot on a graph. First, x is 0 ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. X is start from the origin, children. O is origin. So x is 0 ಆದಾಗ what is y? Y is 4. It is plus 4. Plus ಅಂದ್ರೆ you have to go above the origin. Minus ಅಂದ್ರೆ below the origin. 0 ಅಲ್ಲಿ start ಮಾಡಿ 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ. So here you will get the point, right? 0 and 4. Next, x is 1. Y is 3. X is 1 plus 1. So you have to see the x-axis. 1 illide, x so 1, y is 3. So plus 3 andre neevu mele hogbeko, minus antandre you have to come below the origin. Okay, now it is plus 3. So I will mark the point here. Okay, children. So 1 ಹತ್ರ ಏನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲೆ 3 ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ y axis ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಡಾಟ್ ಹಿಡಬೇಕು, ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ -1, 5. So x is -1. Where is -1? It is towards x dash, right? It is here -1, 5. Plus 5 andre go above the origin. So it is here, right? Plus 5. Next, 2, 2. X is 2 and y is also 2, right? Plus 2 ide, so y axis kade hogta idini. Next, 3 is x is 3, y is 1. X andre x axis mele nodbeku. 3 illi barutte, y 1 antandre above the origin melgade y axis alli nodbeku. Next, 4, 0. X is 4. What about y? It is 0. Where is 0? Yes, it is origin. So here we have a point. Okay, children. If you see all the points here, you can mark the points, no problem. So this is 4, 0. A point at the coordinates barire. It is 3, 1. 3, 1. And it is 2, 2, right? 2, 2, and this is 1. Which one it is? 1, 3. Yes, it is 1, 3. This is 0, 4. And this is -1, 5. Right? See, if you see all the points, children, so all are you will get a straight line here if you join all the dots. Okay, so use your scale and pencil. You have to draw a straight line. Okay, children. So like this, you will get a straight line. So this is what you graph for your first equation. Second one, equation is x minus y is equal to 0. Right? We have to write the equation for y, right? I will take it into the right hand side because it is -y. So I'm taking to the right hand side. Shift this 2 to left hand side. I will do 1 by 1 is equal to 2. So -y becomes +y. Now I'm shifting this 2 to left hand side. That is x. 2 irodu plus 2 irodu -2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So what is our equation? Y is equal to x minus 2. That I call it as equation number 1. Now give values for x. Put x is equal to 0. Then, so generally we give the values for x is 0, 1, minus 1, 2, like the children. You can give any value, no problem. Y is equal to 0 minus 2. That is 0 minus 2 is minus 2. So what are the points here? 0, comma, minus 2. Now put x is equal to 1. Then y is equal to, when x is 1, substitute here 1 minus 2. That is equal to 1 minus 2 is minus 1. What are the points here? 1 and minus 1. Now third one, put x is equal to 2. Then y is equal to 2 minus 2. That is equal to 0. What are the points here? X is 2 and y is 0. Next, put x is equal to 3. Y is equal to, x is 3 minus 2. That is equal to 3 minus 2 is 1. So what are the points here? X is 3, y is 1. Next, put x is equal to minus 1. Then y is equal to, write minus 1 in place of x. That is minus 1 minus 2. Minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. What are the points here? Minus 1 comma minus 3. Next I'll put x is equal to minus 2. Then y is equal to, write minus 2 in place of x. Minus 2 minus 2. That is equal to, both are negative numbers. So you should add the numbers, that is minus 4. What are the points here? Minus 2 comma minus 4. Whatever you have got the points, 0 minus 2, 1 minus 1. Okay, children. So all these points, you write it in the table. I will write it here. After finding the values, you write the values in the table. That is 0, minus 2, 1, minus 1. Next 2, 0. Next 3, 1. Minus 1, minus 3. Minus 2 and minus 4. Okay, now I'm going to plot a graph. Write x, x dash, y, y dash. Write the numbers 1, 2, 7, 8, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and minus 5. You start with 0. X is 0. It is origin, children. X is 0. That means you have to start from the origin. Y is minus 2. So negative value, you have to go below the origin. So ide kelgade banni. So you have minus 2 here. Ade line alli kelgade bandre, you will get minus 2, children. Alli mark ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Next, see the next points. 1 and minus 1. X is 1. So see on the x-axis, it is 1 and y is minus 1. Again, so mark here, children. Okay. Next 2, 0. X is 2 and y is 0. And again come to the origin. 0 andre nemo ade line alli irtira. This is 0. Minus 1, minus 3. X is minus 1 means go towards x dash. Here you have minus 1, minus 3. Come below the origin. That is minus 3 is here. Okay. I will write minus 1, minus 3. And it is, okay, write it later. And the last one is minus 2, minus 4. X is minus 2. It is here. Minus 4. Come down. Right? So you will get here. This is minus 2, minus 4. Okay, we have points here, children. Three, 1. Yes. See, use scale, children. So if you draw neatly, so you will get a straight line like this. Yes, use scale and pencil, children. You will get a straight line like this. Okay, you will get a straight line. So mark the points here. It is 3, 1. And it is 2, 0. You have to write the points. This is minus 1, minus 3. We have written. And this is 1, minus 1. This is 0, minus 2. Okay, children. So, I rough so I can't get the straight line here. If you use scale and pencil, definitely you will get a straight line. Okay, draw neatly on the graph sheet. Yes, this is for the first one. X plus y is equal to 4. First sum, children. So we have straight line here. And this is second one. Here also we have straight line. Okay, till here we have done. We'll see the next sum in the next class. Keep practicing. Okay, we'll see in the next class. Thank you.